Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Chevy Impala's transmission fluid. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface. Then, start the engine and let it run until it reaches its normal operating temperature. Next, with your foot on the brake, carefully shift the gear selector through all ranges, pausing for about 3 seconds in each one, before returning to park. Now, with the engine still running and in park, locate the transmission fluid dipstick. It's typically found in the engine bay, often colored red or yellow. Carefully pull the dipstick out and use a clean, lint-free rag to wipe off all the fluid. Then, fully reinsert the dipstick into its tube, ensuring it's seated completely. Once the dipstick is fully reinserted, pull it out again to get an accurate reading. Observe where the fluid level falls on the dipstick. It should be within the designated hot or full marks or within the crosshatch area. Also, take a moment to check the fluid's color. It should be red or dark brown, and it should not have a burnt smell. If your fluid level is low, you'll need to add the appropriate type of transmission fluid, such as Dexron VI for many Impala models. Add fluid in small increments, using a clean funnel to prevent spills. After each addition, reinsert the dipstick and recheck the level. It's crucial not to overfill, as this can also cause transmission problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.